Hello. Today I'm just going to quickly cover how you would update your token signing certificate for your single sign-on process within Figma. You must be a Figma organization admin. You would route to admin settings, and then login and provisioning section. The first thing you need to do is convert your authentication from members must log in with SAML SSO to members may log in with any available method. You have to do this just in case you have a wrong input or a mistake happens, you still have access to the platform. Once you make this change, you get it done, and then you route to SAML SSO. Now, take note of your existing configuration settings here. So I would suggest a screenshot, or you can record the information by selecting and copying. From there, select Edit Configuration, and then you would route directly into the identity provider of choice. Now, if you don't see yours listed here, Okta, Azure Active Directory, or OneLogin, select Other, and then provide your entity ID, your SSO target URL, and the new token signing certificate from your identity provider. If you get to this point and all you have is that token signing certificate, you can cancel and you can go back to your existing information here, and you actually can typically leverage that to put the information into your the other section. Otherwise, if you're using Okta or Azure Active Directory, you'd have to provide your new metadata URL from your identity provider. So with that, once you provide this information, you select Review, Confirm Changes, log in by opening up a private browser, attempting to authenticate, and once you authenticate and everything's successful, then go ahead and convert your SAML method back to SSO only. Thank you.